Oh my gosh, this is chocolate. Ano to, Vienna sausage? Hello everyone! Welcome to Tara Kape Podcast, a podcast that is made through the love of coffee and conversation, where in every episode we feature local coffee shops to show some love and support for their business. And for today's to highlight, we are featuring Boris Cafe. Boris Cafe is located here in Enoch gas station, Talabastagan, San Fernando, Pampanga. You can visit their shop here in Enoch. And also, you can check their Instagram, their opening times there, and their schedules. We are on our third episode. Oh, wait. Like, one, two, three. Oh my gosh, this is a third episode. Palakpakan naman dyan, Charis. So, we are on our third episode. Actually, prior to this, this episode, I was like thinking, anong magandang topic ang pwedeng i-share. But then again, I have this guest in mind na, like, sabi ko, I want to guest her, but like, I don't know what topic are we like talking about. And then, she went on a vacation in the US and like, she said na parang, oh, I have this card game and like parang, okay, sige, like, let's do that on the podcast. Okay, guys, so I cannot wait to introduce my third guest in the pod. So, oh, tingnan, sumingit pa. Medyo high-end yung guest natin kasi doktora siya. She is a doctor of dental medicine. She graduated in the University of the East. Also, on the side, she do pickleball. Guys, wag natin patagalin. My guest for tonight, the one and only, the only one. The one, the only. So let us all welcome my guest for this episode, Chi Abad! The one and only. Te, gusto mo pa pahabain ko na the one and only. The only one. Eme.
The one and only. Hi.
So guys, Chi Abad, my very good friend. She's a dentist. Oh,
Hi, podcast.
charot.
Happy to be here.
Wow
Happy to
naman.
be guesting here. Actually, nagtataka ako ba't ang tagal bago ako
Wow! Uy, di naman. Kasi parang may mga naka-line up naman talaga
Ay,
na
ganun.
topics. Pero sabi ko nga, as I've mentioned earlier na, I was thinking of like a perfect topic to talk about it like with you, like to have a conversation with you. Pero sabi mo, nung nasa US kasi siya, actually like she's been from the US, kakauwi niya lang. And like sabi niya like I got this game card ganyan na parang we're not really strangers. Itong game card na to or itong cards na to. I've been seeing this in the Pinterest na parang I thought they're just like parang mga quotes or sayings. Eme lang, pero hindi pala. So parang
Ano sila?
kaya
Ako sila.
kaya ang gagawin natin, ang pag-uusapan natin will be like, our activity for today, guys, or for this episode is like, will be, answering some questions in the game cards. But before we proceed there, how did we meet? Like, what is our story? Like, how we became friends? Or like, can you like share muna? Habang ako'y nagkakape dito. Yung totoo lang yung sabihin mga Charot! Dami ano siya baka.
Inepsihan niya ako, guys. Yun yung totoong kwento dito.
Yeah, we were on a class. Okay.
Hindi. Ganito kasi yan. Totoo naman tayo.
Oo,
Inepsihan mo ako.
oo nga. So, okay. So, pero nagkita tayo, naging friends tayo through
Sa Jungle
Jungle
Base.
Base,
Doon kami
okay.
nagkakilala. So, paano ba tayo nagkakilala? I think way back 2021 or 2022.
siguro mga 3 years ago.
Mga early 2022. Kasi nag-start kami mag-Jungle Base mga last quarter na ng 2021.
Yeah, like tapos
And
yung
then-
pandemic era. Right?
Oh, and then si Jess, nakikita ko na siya noon, pero we're not really friends. So,
Yeah,
nung
not really close.
early 2022, yun yung parang naalala ko yung exact moment na yun eh. Parang magkakilala lang kami. Siyempre, pag nasa gym, kung sino mga kasama mo, magkakilala kayo.
Yeah.
So, I remember na hindi kasi kami nagkakaroon ng chance na magka-same class.
Yeah.
Kasi,
Or mag-usap, 'di ba? We just
Oo.
see each other sa gym.
oh,
like
I
parang
know na siya si
acquaintance.
Jess,
Acquaintance
ganyan.
lang. Yeah.
Ganun. Kasi, back then, yung class ko lagi is yung obstacle course, I think,
Yeah, yeah,
tsaka
yeah. The
jungle fit.
OCR. Yeah.
Tapos ito, puro siya gymnastics. So,
Gymnastics.
hello, mag-gymnastics ba ako? So, hindi talaga kami nagkakaroon ng chance para mag-usap. Tapos, I remember one time lang na parang lahat kami sa gym, I think nag-dinner kami noon or tumambay kami sa cafe sa grounds. Tapos, yung isang group kami na magkakausap, tapos ito, magkatabi kami. Nagkwentuhan na lang kami bigla.
Oh, so that's
Oo,
it
naalala ko yun, like
started.
outside sa labas ng grounds, tapos parang chineckpoint ako ni Jess nun na, ang dami namin sa group, pero
Yeah.
kami lang dalawa yung magkausap. So, chika, ganyan, like, oh, ganun, parang getting to know, ganun. Tapos hanggang, ayun, doon na siya nag-start.
Yeah, and
Okay,
then the
since,
rest is history.
yeah, eto na tayo ngayon,
Yeah, ito na kami
nagbabardagulan
ngayon.
na lang.
Totoo. Tapos parang si Bakla, parang after nun, parang nung na-active pa siya sa Jungle Base. Kasi right now,
Hindi.
obviously hindi na siya. So, nung active pa siya sa Jungle Base, yeah, like every day we meet there, kakain, ganyan. Sometimes we play volleyball, di ba, sa likod.
Oo.
And then, tatambay sa kanila. So, parang like, yun, doon nabuo yung
Yeah.
friendship. And
Tsaka
then,
si Jess kasi, friend ko siya like from my late 20s. Ganun.
kasi
Hindi,
may mga ganon, di ba, sis,
oo,
in
hindi,
in the face of our lives. May mga
oo,
may magiging friend ka na parang hindi mo naman siya friend before, pero may mga magiging friend ka na
makikilala mo
makikilala
naman.
mo all the
Tapos
way.
what,
All the way.
yung friendship namin, very organic meeting siya. So, when we say
Yeah.
organic meeting, yung talagang in person,
Yes,
or walang
yes.
halong naging close muna kami online and then nag-usap kami in person. Hindi. Like,
Yes.
literal na we started talking in person na kagad.
Totoo.
Tapos, doon na lang din kami nag-followan online, ganun. So, very,
Tapos yun na nga, like, again, the rest is history. So parang right now, we're really like good and close friends. Charot! So, ayun nga. Pero singit muna natin. So, we are so thankful kay Joe. Joe yung jowa ni
thanks to my
Chi.
Bieber.
Na pinaunlakan niya kami dito sa kanyang dental clinic na mag-shoot. Kasi
Very
sabi ko kay Chi,
aesthetic
Chi, saan
clinic.
tayo saan tayo mag-shoot? Kasi parang, alam mo yun, lalo na itong gagawin natin is very personal. Alam mo yun, parang medyo magiging, alam mo yun, hindi namin alam kung mag-iiyakan pa kami. So, gusto namin ng medyo tahimik and medyo solemn. Solemn, simbahan, charing. So, ano na lugar. So, parang
Very
buti sabi niya,
private.
private. Itong clinic ni Joe is kaka-open niya lang this year. And guys, kung may mga sira kayong mga bagang, I mean, like, if
Shameless
you're looking for like, a credible dentist and, very okay na dentist in town, and especially if you're living around San Fernando, Angeles, yan, or his clinic is located here din sa Enoch Station, sa Enoch Gas Station sa Tela Bastagan, in front of Jungle Base, as in malapit na malapit lang. So if you
Near
have
Bor.
like, if may mga dental problems or dental issues kayo, you can always, check his Facebook, Instagram. It's Dental. Maple Dental Clinic. And then, yung dental clinic naman ni Chi is
A+ Dental. Pero, I'm not gonna plug it here.
Uh,
Plug natin yung
oo,
clinic ni
isusupport
Joe.
natin ang kanyang bibe. Kasi
Yeah,
talaga nga
I'll
namang
support my
pinaunlakan
bibe.
kami sa kanyang klinika.
So guys, for your dental needs, kay Joe na kayo.
Yes.
Kasi siya yung dentista ko, so I can vouch for him.
Oh, 'di ba? At saka kahit wag na kayo mag-toothbrush, siya na ang mag-toothbrush.
Mga 1 week kayong
Yes,
mag-toothbrush.
talaga nga namang sulit ang cleaning. Ganyan. Okay, sis. So, nabanggit ko kanina galing ka ng US. How's your US trip? Like, to sum up your US trip, like, how will you describe it? Kasi alam ko, napag-usapan na namin ito before kami mag-film. So, ang dami niya ng brief experience lang na experience mo sa United States of A.
The trip itself, masaya siya. Like, I really did enjoy. Tapos, siguro one word to describe it, it's very eye-opening. Kasi, like, first time ko kasi mag-travel ng 1 month long. So, usually when I travel, siguro maximum na yung 10 days. So, yung 1 month kasi, parang somehow, linipat mo ng very light lang naman yung buhay mo, yung routine mo. Like, iba kasi siya pag 10 days lang eh.
But then again, kasi parang, 1 month is so long.
Oo,
Alam mo yun, like, you can
talaga.
create a habit in there.
Yeah, like, for now, parang pinag-usapan nga namin ni Joe na nandito na kami sa Pilipinas. Like, physically we're here, pero parang feeling ko, mentally, emotionally, nasa US pa din ako. So, one word to describe, siguro, very eye-opening. Like, parang ma-realize mo na, nung nandun ako, to be honest, parang nanliit ako. Pero not in a bad way. Parang nanliit ako na parang, oh my gosh, ang laki ng mundo.
Yeah.
Like, di ba parang gano'n naman yung mafe-feel mo sa travel?
And somehow it's kind of liberating then,
Oo, like
liberating siya na.
ang laki ng mundo. Like,
Yeah.
parang it will make you
Akala mo dati,
reassess.
nakapunta ka na ng Korea, nakapag-Japan ka na,
Oo,
nakapag-feeling
iba.
mo, di ba?
Asian countries yun
Yeah.
Oo, first time ko kasi actually pumunta ng
Mag-America,
ibang,
yeah.
ano,
Ibang
aside from
continent.
Asian countries, oo.
Ibang continent.
Tapos yun nga, it will make you assess your current situation na, am I meant to be here? Parang
May mga ganon.
na parang, ang laki ng mundo. Like, baka merong bigger or something out there for me. Like, eto na ba talaga? Like, dito ba talaga ako? So, parang ganun lang. Feeling ko naman, hindi lang naman ako yung naka-feel na. Na-feel mo din yun for
Yeah,
sure.
when I went. Ganun naman talaga lahat naman eh. Like, when you go talaga there. Kasi, you get to compare your current situation dun sa opportunity meron kung saan ka. Na parang sabi mo nga, di ba? Parang, am I meant here? Am I
Am I
meant?
meant to be here?
Mali pa. Am I meant to be here? Or like, is this the
Baka
gala?
there's something greater for me there. Parang ganon. Ito naman.
Tinaluan na. Okay.
Yun. Pero
So,
ganun siya.
yeah,
Very
yeah, yeah.
eye-opening and yun nga, iba kasi, iba talaga. Like, parang makakompare mo talaga iba yung nasa Asian country ka,
Yes.
iba yung nasa US ka. So, parang something very new lahat ng experience doon.
So overall, it's a good experience
Yeah,
to
good
be there.
experience
To be
to be-
honest. Yun nga lang, medyo,
Magastos.
ay, parang yun,
Guys.
doon ka aaray.
Doon ka
Kasi
talaga.
parang, shit, Amerika, parang talaga nga namang, ang piso
Talaga
natin
naman.
dito ay,
Kailan na nandun pa kami, dun pa pinakamataas
yung dolyar, yung palitan. So, ayaan mo na, mali mo naman.
Nag-enjoy naman.
Oo.
Kaya,
Punta ka na lang ng Japan para mas masulit mo yung
Yeah.
piso mo. Chares. So, okay. So, right now, we are going straight to the main event, which is, yun nga, we will be doing this We're Not Really Strangers game.
Yeah, actually, I
Okay.
got this from, Target.
Target, yeah.
Parang nag-look around ako, tapos nakita ko to. Lagi ko nga itong nakikita.
Diba? Kasi sa social media, parang aesthetic sila, ganyan.
Sis, maraming variant to.
Oh.
Oo, like meron siyang for couples.
Okay, what if
for
mag-bike ka,
ganito.
Hype?
Sorry.
Okay.
Like maraming variant to. Meron siyang for couples, meron siyang, basta iba-iba silang
Pero
type.
ito,
yung
general
classic.
pang-life. Pang-life
ito
siya.
yung
Okay.
original. Parang yung nauna nilang.
Yes. Okay guys, so we are now starting this game. So meron kasi siyang 3 levels. Ang gagawin lang namin is parang pipili lang kami per category or per level ng cards and then like we're gonna one each or like parang kaya naman kung 'di ba kung marami kung nabitin, pwede naman natin. Tingnan natin kung kaya pang sumagot. But then again, this game kasi is a purpose-driven card game. Okay? And it's a movement all about empowerment or empowering meaningful conversations.
Nakalagay
Kodigo.
nga dito sa box.
Ang sabi?
Come curious,
Live-
connected.
Tapos di ba meron, ito pa yung cute, may note yung di ba may
Yeah,
note yung
I'm
gumawa.
gonna
Basahin
read
mo,
it.
sige. Ang sabi niya.
Note siya nung creator, sabi niya, I have found there are 2 ways to play this game. So, number 1 is to play safe, and then second is play to grow. So, sabi niya, the second is how you win. So,
How you
we have
win.
to play to grow.
Yes. Nung una nga sabi niya na parang sis, parang ready na ba ako na maging vulnerable in front of everyone kasi syempre you're gonna upload this. Pero again, sabi ko nga sa kanya na parang sagutin mo lang kung ano yung feel mo na sagutin. Parang sabi ko nga, are you ready to be vulnerable? Okay, so tingnan natin. Ano ba yung vulnerable? Vulnerable ginawa pang came from the Greek word vul. Oh, vulcanize. Charot. Okay, so makikita niyo dito meron siyang 1, 2, 3. So yun yung level. Feeling ko yun yung level of difficulty.
Yeah.
Okay. Shit, kinakabahan ako. Kala mo naman talaga, it's a matter of life and death situation.
Nakakaba
Kaya.
mag-i-open sa
Yeah, pero, di ba? Hayaan mo na.
Ginusto natin to.
Oh my gosh! Sis, this question is really for me. Sabi niya dito is, do I seem like a coffee or a tea person?
Kasi getting to know, so very
Yeah. Sweetened or unsweetened?
Syempre, coffee.
Is this
Unsweetened.
Tagalog?
Very basic. Parang 1 plus 1
I love
equals
it. I love this. Feeling ko makakadami tayo sa level 1. Charot.
Try kaya natin 3 cards.
Oh, sige,
Kasi
go.
ganun
Oh,
lang
magganun lang naman siya. Oh, ikaw na.
Okay,
Next.
my turn.
Oh, so ngayon nalaman niyo na coffee person. Kaya siya naging Tara Kape podcast eh. Kasi nga talaga, ayoko ng kape. Mali. Level 1.
Masasagot niya ba to? Let's see.
Ano ko?
So, what subject do you think I thrived in at school? Did I fail any?
Wait lang, subject na pang college ba to or yung general na subjects?
Feeling ko i-general na lang natin.
Oo,
kasi medyo
te.
magkaiba eh.
True.
Like, if math, science,
Oh, yeah,
mga
ganon
ganun.
yan.
Okay.
Ako, I feel like science. Kasi more sa dental ka eh.
Yeah.
Oh, tama.
So, did I fail any subject?
You didn't.
Yeah.
Because you didn't fail me. Failing, you didn't fail your parents. Chares.
On time tayo.
Ayan. Okay, next. Number 1 pa ito. Okay.
Yan.
Shit, kinakabahan ako. Feeling. Oh! Okay, I love this. Sabi niya, do I seem like a morning person or a night owl? And why?
Ay, nako. For Jess, sa personality ni Jess, of course, morning person. Tama, di ba?
Di ano yung sabihin no morning person?
Like, you wake up early kasi
Ah,
marami
yeah.
siyang ginagawa.
Okay,
Di
okay.
ba? Kasi,
Sa work din.
given sa work niya, marami siyang ginagawa. Actually, pwede rin siyang night owl, pero more on morning person yan. Kasi minsan magchat-chat din sa akin 6 a.m., 7
Yes.
a.m., lumalarga na siya.
Tsaka ngayon, te, hindi na ako ganun ka-night person.
Yeah,
Diba?
umuwi na siya ng maaga.
Oo.
Pero morning person siya. Well, aside sa work, I feel like yung personality niya kasi hindi siya para magtamad-tamaran the whole day.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Oh yeah, oh my
Like,
gosh.
given the chance, siguro isang araw, pero a week na magtatamad-tamaran niya, no,
No,
never.
girl, like we're so productive.
No?
Product. Feeling.
Okay, my turn. Ay,
Your turn yan. Number 2, te. Number 1.
number 1. Di ba ka kasi mabasa? Okay. Oh!
Ay, kulay red siya.
It's a wild card.
Ah.
So, both players should answer.
Okay, sige.
Okay. Iisip muna ako. So, think of your favorite childhood TV show of all time. On the count of 3, say it out loud.
Ano malay ko sa favorite mo? TV show?
Hindi.
Cartoons?
Your favorite TV show.
Ako
At
naman
saka
din.
favorite TV show ko. So, kung magmamatch lang siya.
Sige,
Then,
shit.
mag-iisip ako kasi hindi ako mahilig manood ng bata. But,
Ako mahilig ako talaga.
Hmm,
Ready. Kahit mapa-cartoons man to or whatsoever, te ha. TV show. Oo, TV show yun eh.
Any. Okay.
Okay. 1,
One,
2, 3,
2,
go.
Hannah
Doraemon!
Okay.
Ay, Hannah Montana na ano na siya
Yeah,
dati.
it's a series. TV
Wala.
show. Consider TV show yun,
Te,
right?
pero kasi parang ano naman yun? Parang pang cable ba yun? Te, wala
Oo.
kaming ganun. Sorry.
Wala rin kami eh.
Doraemon
Hindi
lang.
yan.
Okay, I love it. Okay, next. Last
Last na yan.
card
Last
for
for
this.
level one.
For level 1. Di na natin babalikan to because there's no turning back. Charot! Okay. Ay, wait lang. Sino? Ikaw sasagot nito, no? Tama, kasi white lang siya.
Mm-mm.
So, ang question niya, sabi niya, ewan, siguro ito yung first, nung nakita mo ko, o nung nakita tayo, sabi niya, what's the first thing you noticed about me? Sabi niya.
Mm.
Base na lang natin to nung first time ako siguro ako nakita. What did you notice about me?
Like, to be honest, akala ko masungit si Jess before.
Talaga? Yung impression ko sa'yo,
Yun yung impression ko sa'yo. Kasi, like, pagpasok mo ng gym nun, diretso lang siya sa gymnastics.
Sa
Like,
class.
hindi pa kasi siya ganyan.
parang hindi pa siya bakla
Okay,
nun.
hindi pa siya very kalog or syempre siguro dahil
Dahil bago
kami,
ako doon. Oo,
kami
yun.
bago. So parang hindi niya pa talaga fully na-show yung
Totoong kulay niya, te.
Oo, yung totoong personality
Ugali
niya.
niya,
So parang
bakulo.
pasok lang siya ng gym, diretso lang siya sa ano.
Yeah.
So pag ganun kasi, parang pag feeling mo masungit, parang
Na ano ka, okay.
yeah. Pero yung question niya, first thing you notice, siguro yung pagmamaikli niyang shorts.
Maikli talaga ako mag-short eh. Maikli talaga ako mag-short.
Like, siguro dahil first time kong mag-gym talaga na, so parang siguro, ikli nito mag-shorts. Kung first thing I notice yun. Pero kung
Ano mo yun?
impression,
Akala ko naman yung pusod niya dati kasi nagpupusod ako pumasok.
Oo nga no.
Next. Ikaw na. Last card
Last
for this
card.
level.
Okay. Okay. What do you think I'm most likely to splurge on?
Oh my gosh! Wait lang, wait lang. Ang dami. Ang dami.
Nahuli.
I feel like, siguro, I'll put top 3 na lang. Tapos ikaw na lang mag-aano kung ano ba talaga doon yung number 1. Kung ano talaga yung best doon.
Yeah, same, same.
Okay. Siguro number 1, you will splurge on travel.
Mm-hmm.
Number 2, shoes.
Mm-hmm.
Number 3, clothes.
Okay. Pero number 1 doon, travel talaga. Sa clothes and shoes, di naman. Not, I mean, not, parang, matipid, like, di naman ako bumibili ng sobrang mahal na shoes and sobrang mahal na clothes.
What is your...
Pero sa travel,
Ano yung dito ba yung ano yung pinakamahal na sa...
pero
Oh.
sa travel, mag-splurge ako. For experience.
For experience. Totoo yun.
Iba pa din eh.
Ah, yeah.
Anyway,
Okay, that's all for our level 1. Ano,
oh,
satisfied
yeah.
ka ba sa mga
Yeah,
sagot mo,
tama
te?
nga. Tapos na kami sa level.
Level 1, i-keep mo yan para mamaya i-montage ko. Oh, nilagay pa talaga dito. Okay.
Next level.
Are you ready for the level 2?
Level
Level 2 is, di ba, perception? Connection?
2. Connection.
Oh my gosh, medyo, guys, yung tissue pa kay
Okay,
kuya.
ready na po.
Charot lang.
Ito na po yan.
Okay, so let's start the level 2. First card. Sis, ilan ba to? Feeling ko hindi, tingnan natin
Tingnan natin yung questions kung kaya.
Uy, kulay red!
Oh,
Wild card. Sabi niya, staring contest. First to blink must reveal a personal problem and ask your partner for advice and how they might handle. Wait lang, di ba ako ready dito? Pwedeng next card. Charot! Sabi niya, staring
Personal
contest.
problem.
Kung sino ang unang mag-blink, sabi niya, a person, the first to blink, kunwari, nag-blink ka, magre-reveal ka ng problem, tapos mag-ask ka sa akin, kumbaga bibigyan kita ng solution for that problem.
Okay.
You're gonna parang seek an advice, ganyan.
Okay.
Okay,
Let's do it.
ready? Let's do it, girl. Like, is this Tagalog?
Blink, di ba?
Wait.
Unang mag-blink.
Oo.
Oh, tanggalin mo yung glasses mo.
Totoo, bakit naman naman?
O, sige. Ay, hindi, baka mahirapan ka.
Oo,
Ah,
medyo
sige.
na.
Okay, go.
Ready.
Ang first to blink, siya yung magsasabi ng problem.
Yes!
Okay.
Ready. Wait lang.
Sabi,
Okay.
hindi ako.
Ang daming problema. Already. 1, 2, 3, go. Uy, wait lang. Kasi naaning mata ko.
Nag-blink siya.
Shit, yeah. Nakita ko gumanon ako. Oh my gosh. Okay, may problem. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Mag-reveal ka ng problem sa public. Go.
Oh my gosh. Pero ako naman, like, I'm very vocal about it naman. It's not really like, yeah, it's a problem. Kasi parang you're struggling about it, right? Kasi parang feeling ko, like, right now, in terms of career, parang I feel like, medyo yung growth ko is stagnant.
You feel stuck.
Yeah, I feel stuck na parang, I want to be more. Like, I want to, kasi, guys, kahit na, ito lagi namin pinag-usapan to ni Chi. As in, like, parang kapag career-wise, family and everything. So, parang we tell each other's, problem. So, that's my problem right now. Na parang, like, what's next for me? What's gonna, diba? What you gonna do with the dessert?
So, turn ko na ba? Para
Yeah, to answer the problem. Para magbibigay ka daw ng advice to
Okay, so to make you feel better, hindi lang naman ikaw yung nakaka-feel nun. Like, I don't think pag may lahat yan, hindi naman lahat na figure out na nila yung
Buhay
gusto
nila,
nila sa
right.
buhay. Yeah. So, feeling ko, tama lang na you're feeling stuck, na at least good sign yan na you're hungry for more. Hindi ka nagsisettle. Kasi yun yung mahirap eh. Pag
I love
nagsettle ka lang, like, hindi, okay na ako dito. So, advice ko is to take, I think, one step at a time. Tapos, again, knowing Jess, like, dahil nga marami naman kaming napag-uusapan, marami siyang ideas, marami siyang visions. Kailangan lang natin dyan, execution.
Yeah, that's always
yun ang kailangan. Kasi the first step will always be to execute.
it starts with you.
Yeah, it starts with, kasi hanggat hindi ka gumagawa ng move or anything na baguhin yung situation mo na yun, magiging lagi mo na yung problema.
Right?
big or small step yan. Importante is you're working towards that goal. So, if you're feeling stuck sa career, so, why? Like, is it because gusto mo ba ng ibang field? Or, do you want to upgrade your skills or whatsoever? Ganun. Kasi in terms of career, guys, let's face it, hindi naman basta-basta pwede kang
Mag-shift.
mag-grow.
Oo,
Yeah,
diba? Or mag-shift.
hindi siya ganon. Hindi siya yung pag naisipan mo na, shit, I'm so stuck ngayon. Lipat ako. Hindi siya ganon. It doesn't work that way. So, feeling ko, you have to somehow, kasi nandyan na yan eh. Parang for me, if it's meant for you, andyan na yan. Kailangan mo lang trabahuin para na pumunta doon. So,
true.
like for example, yan, you're feeling stuck. So, what will help you para makapunta ka dun sa goal mo? Number one, upgrade your skills. 'Di ba? Parang ganon. Parang do something or kumbaga put yourself out there din. Ito actually napanood ko sa TikTok kagabi. So sabi niya, for opportunities na dumating sa'yo, you have to put yourself out there. Kailangan mong dalhin kasi yung mga opportunities na yan, hindi naman yan lalapag lang sa harapan.
Yeah.
Ikaw yung gagawa ng
Way.
way.
Yeah.
Ikaw yung gagawa ng opportunities mo. So for example, meron kang gustong like for example, meron kang gustong work na gawin. Like, dalhin mo yung sarili mo doon. Like, basta, gets, like, put yourself out there. Kunwari yan, yung content creation. Like, I feel, kaya niya. Like, etong field na to, para sa kanya yan. So, itong paggawa mo ng podcast na to, I think it's a first step. Kasi
Yeah.
you're putting yourself out there.
Yeah.
Hindi naman lahat ng mga influencers or content creators nag-succeed yan sa isang post
Lang. Yeah.
So,
Really, yeah.
yeah.
So if you really wanna, sinasabi mo, if you really want to like, to be in that phase, you need to go there. So pupunta na ako.
You have to...
Punta na ako, te.
Oo, te.
Time, charot. Okay, thank you so much. Oh my God, that's so beautiful.
So yun yun.
Dahil
You have
dyan,
to put yourself out there.
Oo, plus 10 ka. Sinulatan.
Okay,
Next, your turn. Ang ganda nun.
Ito
Diba?
na, my turn. Okay, so what is something you wouldn't want to change about yourself?
Not siguro, for sure. One thing that I don't want to change about myself is yung willingness to thrive, willingness to do things, yung willingness to do things that excites me, to see the world, to unravel the world. Yon, laging ako excited to try things and ang dami one lang nga eh. So yon lagi like parang
Like,
ano ba?
curiosity.
Curiosity kills the cat.
Cat.
Tama na, hindi siya insecurity. Hindi siya insecurity kills the cat. Okay, next. Andali. Sige, isa pa.
Ako na yan, tatanong
Muntik ko na mapindot, maano na naman yung red te. Nakita ko na, okay. Sabi niya dito, finish the sentences. Strangers would describe me as blank. Only I know that I am blank. So parang ano yung perception nila sa'yo, pero sa sarili mo, alam mong ikaw ay.
Yeah, okay. So, I think strangers would describe me as very, di ko alam paano siya sabihin in an exact word, pero yung like very, hindi siya nonchalant eh. Sa emotions, like I feel like parang hindi ako masyadong
Affected?
yeah. Parang ganun kasi yung facade ko. Well, guys, panganay.
Yeah.
Kailangan natin maging ganun.
Strong.
Parang siguro strong na parang hindi ako affected, na hindi ako full of emotions. Whereas, if kilala mo talaga ako, like, I would only show you 1/4 of what I'm feeling.
Yeah.
Ganon. Pero deep inside me, like,
It's killing you.
oo, ganun.
It hurts.
Hindi ako, kunwari sa family ko, I would never show them. Hindi ako showy.
Yeah.
Hindi ako hindi ganun yung personality ko. As in, close friends would know na hindi nga ako mahag niyang mga yan or whatsoever. Hindi kasi ako ganun. Pero, deep inside, like parang sumasabog yung emotions ko, yung love and care ko for my family. Which is hindi nila alam yun, guys.
Totoo.
Malalaman lang nila kung napanood nila to. Pero,
Okay, isa-send ang link na to.
send ang link kay Marlene.
Hindi, yun na nga, totoo yun. I just wanna add on that, na parang, di ba lately, talaga, sabi mo, you hindi, ito parang hindi pagmayabang kasi parang you treated or you treat? Oh, so
Basta yun.
nilibre niya sa Japan yung ano niya, yung parents niya. And before, have you traveled ng kayong apat? Ay, 5? Hindi pa.
Nung nag-Korea kami, kasama namin si Chai.
Oh yeah, pero yun yung total. Oo.
Hindi pa.
So, yun nga kasi parang 'di ba? Sabi mo nga hindi ka I love you, hindi ka ma-express ng ano, pero you will let them feel through your action na
Oo.
parang I
Have
care
my
for
own
you guys.
way.
Yeah, she has her own ways to,
Oo,
you know,
parang sa relationship lang yan. Like, you can't expect everyone to give you flowers,
verse,
ganyan.
chocolates, or
Oo,
like ganito.
meron kanya-kanyang love language yung mga tao. So, I guess yun yung perception sa akin ng mga tao na parang si Chi, parang, ganun lang
She's
siya.
ano,
Parang
but
wala,
in real
in
life,
real life,
only they know that you are yon
full of emotions.
full of emotions si
Actually,
bakla.
just
Yeah.
side na to, I open, like yung buhay ko actually, sinasabi nila is open book. Pero nagiging open book lang siya sa close friends.
Yes.
So, maraming taong kilala ako, pero on a surface level.
Yes.
Limited lang yung taong kilala nila ako on a deeper level.
Level.
And on a personal level. And
True.
as of now, parang happy naman ako kung kanino lang ako nag-open up on a personal level.
As you should.
Yeah.
Kasi you don't have to be an
Sa
open
bagay,
book to everyone.
tsaka sa time na to, parang
Yes.
doesn't matter how many friends.
Di ba
na
sinasabi nila, not everyone is interested in your story. Not everyone will read your book. So, parang, okay, edi buksan mo lang siya sa mga interested magbasa.
Oh, tsaka again, kumbaga, yun kasi yung form mo eh. Like,
Yeah.
it's something na if shinare mo siya sa mga people na hindi mo naman pinagkakatiwalaan or hindi mo naman sila nakikitang close mo talaga, parang it's like showing a part of you na
O parang
very personal kasi.
yeah, hindi parang parang naghubad ka sa daan.
Oo,
Parang ganun siya.
yung feeling.
Kasi 'di ba, parang hinayaan mong pagkatawanan ka ng mga tao.
Mm.
Okay,
Anyway,
next question. Ay, ano ba? O,
Ako
pangalawa
na.
mo, pangalawa
Ikaw
mo. Okay.
sasagot.
Oo. Hello.
Red.
Yung kulay white. What's yung first?
Okay. So, what's your mother's name and the most beautiful thing about her?
Oh my gosh, may
Tissue!
naiiyak na ako!
Ilabas
Oh,
ang
Medyo
Ilabas ang
yung mark
tissue!
natin. Okay. My mom's name is Rosario. Charot! Magalit yung nanay ko, ti. My mom's names... Ay, bumalot. Sorry. Okay. So, my mom's name is Zita. And then, ang
Hi,
sabi,
Tita Zita.
what's
And
the
the most beautiful thing about her?
Oh my gosh. I don't know if like isa lang yung masasabi ko na most. Di ba sinabi pag sabi most, isa lang?
Yeah, pero
Okay.
again, pwede mo naman
What
dagdagan.
the most beautiful things? Things ginawa ng S about my mother is my mother is
Is
not.
not.
O hindi. Hindi naman talaga kasi hindi mo mataba yung nanay ko. Hindi.
Yan na nga
So my
ba?
mom,
Ito na, serious,
oo,
serious.
ang nanay ko, alam mo ba, growing up, siya yung nakita ko talaga na, you know, di ba sinasabi ng mga anak parang, as cliche as it may sound, na parang sinasabi, she's the best mom in the world, di ba, lagi. Lahat naman, sa atin naman lahat, di ba? So, I feel like I have that right to say na, my mom is the best mom in the world, in my world, especially. Kasi growing up, siya yung nakita ko na, alam mo yun, though I didn't really grow up with them kasi other story na yun na I grew up with my lola. But then again, syempre andyan naman yung nanay ko. But like, growing up talaga, yung nanay ko, siya yung nakitaan ko ng pagka-selfless ba? Siguro lahat ng nanay, pero alam mo yun, na parang, ni ultimo like pagkakain or whatsoever, uunahin yung anak. As in parang, ay ngayon na parang nagpa-flashback ako ng memory. Na ang daling alalahanin ng mga magagandang bagay na ginawa sa'yo. Kasi magaganda siya, 'di ba? Magandang memory eh.
Like, marami kang naiisip.
Maraming naiisip na ang nanay ko pag sinabing gulay yan, tsaka isda, alam ko yung luto. So, what's the most beautiful thing about her is like, she is selfless mom. Like, as in like, kung whatever man yung reason, I mean like, the meaning of being selfless. Until now, nakikita ko na even though may mga apo na siya, napapass on yung pagmamahal niya sa amin before, nakikita ko sa pagmamahal niya sa mga apo niya ngayon. And, parang, minsan that kind of gesture or yung trait niya na yon, it kills me when parang when when you feel like you're not being the best son for her. So parang it kills me, it pains me na parang alam mo yon, like lahat naman tayo we wanna provide the best care for them. Kaya nga ngayon ka babawi, right? But
Saka
then
at this
again,
point, lahat naman tayo, sa ganitong age pa lang naman talaga tayo, makakabawi sa
makakabawi, totoo. Kaya nga dati talaga, alam mo yon, kahit na, yan, nakita ko na, kahit hindi niya pa alam yung return of investment niya sa anak niya, go lang siya mag-alaga, go lang siya alam mo yon, mag-all out ng pagmamahal, ng time, ng effort para sa mga anak niya. Given, dahil 5 kami. Tapos halos magkakasunod kami. So parang, alam mo yon, yung effort, yung energy. Naalala ko nun, basta pagpunta kami ng SM, uuwi kami ng Bohol, 5 yung akay niya. So parang, dun pa lang nakita ko yung pagka-selfless ng mother ko. Kaya, ina ka. Ikaw ang ina ko. Ina ka talaga, ma'am! Ina ka! Ayan.
To add lang, feeling ko kasi, kaya siguro yan, nasabi din ni Jess na mas na-appreciate niya yung mom niya ngayon. Kasi nasa age na tayo na parang, if you're gonna put yourself sa shoes nila, like for example ako, at that age, mag-aalaga ako ng ganyan kadaming anak, parang wow. Kasi, Diyos ko, ilang taon na ako, sarili ko nga lang, parang ang
hirap na
ng
i-manage. Yeah.
So, yun yung nagiging, feeling ko dyan nagkakaroon ng wow factor lalo sa sakripisyo ng mga parents natin. Kasi, syempre before, di ba, uso yung maagang nag-asawa, nagkaanak. So, di ba, at 29, ilan na ba ang anak nila? O, kami at 29,
ito lang, oo, sarili lang minamanage
Sarili lang
namin.
iniisip
Totoo.
Kaya yun. Hello, tita!
Sa mga nanay dyan, Mother's Day special pala to. Sa mga nanay dyan, Happy Mother's Day.
Day.
Charot. Okay, sino na next?
Ikaw,
Are we?
last card.
You need to answer this.
Yeah, go.
What title would you give this chapter in your life? Walang ganda nito. Anong title? Anong title ng buhay mo ang ilalagay mo sa face ng buhay mo ngayon? Yung chapter, ito, kung asan ka ngayon.
Teka lang.
When life gives you charing. When life gives you tangerine, di ba?
Like,
Any title. Nasa iyo kung mahaba or one word or single phrase title. It's
title ng season ng buhay ko ngayon. Siguro, if there's one word na I can describe, yung season ko right now would be reset.
Reset.
Yeah, reset. Kasi, sabi ko nga, napag-usapan namin to actually kahapon na yung nag-look back ako from my 2022, 3, 4, 5, I feel like everything that happened through those years, same lang. So parang siguro naging wake-up call na rin for me na for this 2026 na I have to reset. So, lalo na this year would be my I'm gonna be living my 20s na magiging 13 na tayo. So actually, kung yung iba scared sila of the
Turning
30s,
niya,
of turning
30s.
30. Ako naman, I'm so excited.
Yeah.
As in, ewan ko. Parang,
Me too.
Diba?
No pressure. Diba? Walang pressure na mag-30 ka na.
Wala at all. And then, hindi rin ako malungkot na mag-30 ako. Parang, bakit ba? Bagong season to ng buhay ko. I feel like bagong
Correct.
tao or ibang tao ako. So, season siya for reset. Like, I didn't have the time yet na, I haven't had the time na mag-collect ng thoughts ng gagawin ko for 2026. Pero, in summary talaga, it's reset. Dahil nga, yun nga, papasok na tayo sa 30s.
Yeah.
So,
Reset parang fresh start, right?
fresh start, bagong tao. Like, parang let's leave our 20s behind.
Yeah.
Nag-enjoy na ako masyado dyan.
Yeah.
Kasi,
Kaya alam mo,
somehow,
feeling,
best year.
feeling ko din, kaya hindi mo na-feel yung pressure na mag-30 ka and you're so excited to be in that phase, in that new season of yours, is because
Nag-enjoy tayo.
nag-enjoy ka eh. Like, hindi ka nag-hold back na i-live mo yung life mo eh.
Oo.
As in,
Sobra pa.
wala kang, oo, parang wala kang utang sa sarili mo na, ay, hindi ko nagawa to or whatsoever. Kaya mas excited ka na gawin ngayon yun kasi, yung mga hindi ko nagawa dati, mas pwede pa natin siyang gawin.
Oo.
I-improve pa natin sa 30th natin.
Oo,
Ganun.
parang ganun. Kasi parang, kunwari, ikaw, tatanungin kita,
Mm.
kung, yung 10 years ago na self mo,
Yeah.
if may imagine mo ba na magagawa mo lahat ng
Lahat,
to,
'di ba?
na-achieve
Totoo.
mo ngayon?
Totoo 'yun. Totoo 'yun.
Ano sagot mo?
Anong tanong?
Are you
Yung 10
like,
years?
if you're gonna
Oo
ask
naman.
your past self,
Te.
like, na 10 years from now, makakapag-ganito ka,
To be honest,
makakapag-ganito,
hindi mo alam. Wala kang alam. Kasi nga,
Hindi
'di ba?
mo rin siya na-expect.
Yeah, at saka 'di ba, ang hirap sagutin nung 10 years from now, where do you see yourself? 'Di ba ang hirap talaga kasi hindi mo naman talaga alam minsan yung pathway mo eh.
Oo.
Meron ka lang brief idea na parang, okay, I want to be here. I want to be like this. Pero kasi again, it's a long journey eh.
Oh, hindi, tsaka what I mean is, kunwari, parang ako, kunwari, tinanong mo yung self ko from 5 years ago na, in 5 years, tingin mo, makakapagpatayo ka ng
Yeah,
clinic mo,
clinic.
makapunta ka ng
Ganito, ganyan.
Hindi.
Hindi ba?
Yun yung honest answer, hindi. Pero syempre, thankful ako, grateful ako na nagawa natin
Nangyari
siya.
yon through the grace of
Tsaka
the
na-enjoy
Lord,
natin yung
yeah, and
20s
the family.
natin.
Totoo!
Diba?
I
Like,
love
kung
it.
ilo-look
I
back
love
mo,
it.
ikaw din, di ba? For
Totoo
sure.
naman, totoo
Like,
naman.
Ang dami nating ginagawa. Ang dami nating hobbies na tinatry. Ang dami nating
Yes.
places na
To be honest.
pinupuntahan.
To be honest.
So, alam mo yun, parang 20s is the best time daw to explore. So,
Feeling
ko,
naman natin,
nagawa
na-explore
namin.
natin siya. Totoo, na-explore natin siya. And we are, yun nga, grateful enough to experience those things. Kasi hindi lahat may privilege na ganun.
Yeah.
Actually, kung titingnan mo, we're privileged.
Yeah.
Diba? In our own ways.
In our own ways.
We're privileged in our own ways. Kasi, yun nga, like, siguro, sa akin yun nga, you've tried your everything you need to try and you've went to places na hindi mo expect na mapupunta ka. Sabi mo, yung US is unexpected. It's not one of your, bucket
It's
list.
not in my bingo card.
Bingo card, pero biglang 2026, si bakla nasa US. 2025, 2026, si bakla nasa US. So, alam mo yun, hindi mo talaga din masasabi yung buhay ng tao. Pero kasi, as long as alam mo sa sarili mo na you're working hard and you're putting effort and you're being there and you know, everything will
Like
will
what I
happen.
said kanina, nandun na yan, para sa'yo na yan. So,
Trabahuin mo
it's
lang.
a matter of time if when ibibigay. And it's a
That-
matter of effort kung paano yung gagawin mo to
Totoo.
achieve that. So, yun. Basically, guys, reset. Tsaka excited na talaga ako mag-30 te. Like,
Kasi,
wala lang. Parang feeling ko.
wala, feeling excited lang.
Feeling ko parang yung may background music na masaya na.
Pagpapasok ka na ng ay, nakasal pala. Hindi, ay,
Ha?
di ba pang graduation yun? Ay, mali pala.
Mali.
Oo, basta meron lang siyang mga gano'n, may
Parang
imagination
may
ka na.
happy vibe yung 30s. Hindi siya scary at all.
Yes, and that's a good sign that you're excited to move forward, di ba? Pick your last card, girl. Your last card,
Ay,
ikaw
ako
na.
ikaw
Yeah.
na, no?
Shit, ako na naman sasagot niyan, te.
Okay.
Lati! Ba't sasabi mo super personal? Parang cry-cry na naman.
So next is, what's your father's name?
Uy, hindi, okay lang yan para at least hindi magselos yung tatay ko
And
na.
ito naman, tell me one thing about him.
Um,
Father's name, and tell me one thing
Okay,
about
eto,
him.
nakakatawa kasi. Hindi siguro nung bata ako, pag tinatanong yung pangalan ng tatay ko, medyo nahihiya ako kasi parang ang bantot ng pangalan ng tatay ko. Kasi na-inherit niya yun sa tatay niya. Hanggang sa naipasa niya sa bunso namin. Buti na lang, hindi niya sa akin ipinangalan.
Buti na lang hindi ka the third.
Yes, di ako the third kasi the third yung bunso namin, te. Ang pangalan ng tatay ko is Apolonio. O, di nyo kaya.
Uy, pero ngayon, sa panahon ngayon, maganda yung mga ganyan.
Yes, kasi it's giving bayani. Apolinario.
Like, gusto na sila yung mga old name.
Oo, Apolonio. So,
Hindi nagkatawag Apolonio.
Yes.
Apple.
Apple. So, Apolonio Senior yung lolo ko. Apolonio Junior yung tatay ko. The third naman tong kapatid ko.
Sino
So,
yan sa architect?
yan, the architect yung kapatid ko. So, yeah. So, my father's name is Apolonio. And ano yun?
Name one thing, you tell me one thing about him.
About him. Okay.
Feeling ko, very to eh. Siguro something na same na lang yung kay
Kay mother,
mo.
okay.
Most beautiful thing about him.
My father has been, I would say, a hardworking father and a good provider for us. Nakita ko yun. Kasi, growing up, kasi nag-work siya before dun sa mini talyer nila. And, whenever hapon na, uuwi na yan, tapos mag-iintrega na ng, alam mo, ng kita. As in, parang gano'n na, mag-iintrega na ng kita sa nanay. Tapos yung nanay naman, ito yung baon, ganyan. So, yun yung nakita ko sa tatay ko na naging hardworking siya and naging good provider siya. Siguro, well, dahil nga, I would say na naging strict din siya sa pagpapalaki sa amin, which is naging magandang ano yun sa amin. Oo. Pero, ang tawag dito, kahit na sobrang tigas nung facade, alam mo yun yung parang, di ba pag tatay, ganun kasi yung na-create na image sa akin eh. Uuwi yung tatay ko from work, magbibigay lang ganito, tapos the next day, maaga na naman siyang aalis. So somehow, hindi namin siya nakaka-bond talaga. Nakaka-bond talaga namin mostly yung mom, yung nanay namin. Kasi sa kanya kami nagsusumbong, kapag ganito, ganyan, iyak, or whatsoever. Yeah. And then, yun, siguro nung una lang talaga na, nung bata ka pa, syempre, di ka naman talaga like, alam mo yun, di pa malawak yung isip mo. Sinasabi mo lang na parang,
Padaya nga like tata.
oo, or aloof ka sa tatay mo, ganyan. Pero you know, yun nga, nung nag-aral na kami and when he retired sa work and we started working, doon kami nagkaroon ng time and parang doon namin siya mas nakilala. Alam mo naman talaga nawala. Hindi, parang doon namin talaga siya.
mas naintindihan.
Yes, mas naintindihan. At saka, alam mo yun, pag nagkukwentuhan, nagbibiruan kami, like, ay, fan naman pala yung tatay ko. Kasi, alam mo yun? Tsaka, yun. Yun lang yung ano ko sa kanya. Kasi parang, siguro nung una na misinterpret lang namin yung pagiging parang busy niya and like super hard siya kasi kailangan, siguro yun nga, parang ikaw ang panganay. Parang siya, ako yung tatay, ako yung dapat pa-provide ako. So, hindi ako pwedeng palemyak-lemyak. Kailangan, I need to be strong for my family. Ganun siya. Okay, thank you so much.
Yun nga, dahil nga nasa working force na tayo,
Mas maintindihan mo, yeah.
mo na parang, hindi naman dahil wala siyang time.
Yeah.
Pero, kasama kasi nung pag-work niya, may pressure din.
Yeah. Tapos lalo na 5 yung pinapakain niya. Tapos, yun nga, in terms of, alam mo, yun nga din eh, mas naintindihan mo din yung budgeting ng pera.
Oo, galing nila.
Diba? Dati, sabi mo, di ba ang hirap ng pera dati, tapos yung value ng money noon, compared mo ngayon, di ba, iba
Pero
na.
nababudget nila naman.
Nababudget nila na maayos, paano yun? Tapos ikaw ngayon, sumasahod ka ngayon ng ganito, pero parang bakit? Saan mapupunta? Diba? Kaya ang galing nila eh, galing nila. Kasi dati, naintindihan mo din, kasi dati talaga, bahay, trabaho lang naman yan, pamilya lang naman suportan nila eh, tayo, lumaki na yung mundo. So parang ang dami na nating ganap. So parang, alam mo yun, kaya huwag din natin kakalimutan na mag-give back and mag-pay back.
Yeah.
So, ayun na ang ating level 2. So, we're down to the last category, which is number 3. Ano nga yun, te? Reflection.
Yes, reflection.
So, may papel kami dito. Maggagawa kami reflection paper. Charot. So, start na ako with the first card.
Yeah, tapos ako sasagot, diba?
Ate. Lorit. Wild card. Sabi niya, write down. Sis! Ito, Di mo ginawa to. Ito, kaya narinig ka ng universe. Write down a goal for this year. Fold and exchange. Hold each other accountable. Both players. So, parang gagawin natin. Wala natin
So, we're not gonna reveal it sa public?
Baka hindi.
Hindi.
Kasi write down a goal for this year. Fold and exchange. Tapos hold each other.
Namin kayo.
Hold each other for accountable.
Accountability. Yeah.
Meron tayong activity sa ating write down a goal. Main goal lang ate, ha?
Oo, isa lang.
Ate. Isa lang. Dapat daw pinaka main goal talaga. Pera. Ito. Pera. Bakit? Okay, we will be writing our goals. Paano may phone? Dalawa. Ganyan lang.
Kailangan ba naman yung goal?
Kaya, for accountability. Mamaya muna natin yan.
Basahin
Basahin na
na natin.
natin ngayon.
Let's read it na ngayon. No, we're not gonna say it out loud. We're just gonna read it lang.
Same na same, di ba? Ito yan. Ayan, ito.
Kasama namin
I love it. I wish that this will happen to you this year.
To you as well, ate ko.
Yes, I love it. Okay, you're next.
Okay,
Your turn. You're
my
next.
turn.
Yeah.
Ito ba yun?
Yeah. Pinaka-tatlo. White. Ang sayo nito. Parang workshop.
Okay, so based on what you learned about me, what book would you recommend I read? Aside from
Hindi, sige. Meron naman ako mga medyo, medyo mga,
Meron mga nabasa.
may mga, hindi naman nabasa, pero parang meron akong parang movie. Ay, kaso napanood mo na to eh.
Which one? Any? Sige, go lang.
People We Meet on Vacation. Kasi book yun nung una. Pero hindi ko pa nabasa. Pero nakita ko lang sa internet na book pala siya before. Pero kasi dahil kami nga, mahilig kaming mag-vacation yan, mag-travel-travel yan, perfect yun. So talagang para ma-enhance pa ang aming pagka-travel. Hala, ginawang skill talaga ang pagka-travel.
Like for example, matupad yung life goal ni Jess.
Yeah,
Talagang
malay mo.
magiging tayo to.
Yeah!
Manifesting.
Nagalit.
So,
Nagalit.
you should read that book para malaman niyo.
Yes, that's so true. Malay mo naman. Makakilala.
Yes, yung sinabi ko, te.
Oo.
Di ba?
Yun, te.
Yun.
Oo.
Okay,
Ikaw na,
your
te.
turn.
Ay, ako
Ikaw
na.
na. Kabuti ko lang.
Okay. Oh my gosh, parang should we answer this? Ang question is, what can I help you with? What can I help you with?
Pera. Mahirap akong pera.
Sorry, I cannot help you with that. Oh, kinansel na tong card. Sorry, no. So, what can I help you with? What, I mean, like, in terms of, like, parang ano ba, like, help with manifestation or, like, prayer or, ganun
Ako
di
pala
ba?
mag-answer niyo.
Yeah, you.
Okay. So, tingin ko, just, help me to become more grounded lang. Like, minsan kasi, I tend to be, parang mabilis akong ma-overwhelm sa lahat ng bagay. So, I need just, actually, ginagawa ko yun, di ba? Pag may mga,
Yeah.
ganyan. Tapos,
Anong gagawin?
oo,
Ganyan.
ganyan. So, minsan, kailangan ko talaga yung advice niya to keep me...
So, wala na tong card na to kasi nagawa ko.
Yeah,
Charot,
pero
de.
yun
Hindi.
yun.
Tama,
Keep-
continuous yun.
Oo.
Actually, hindi naman sa kanya. Parang ganun din naman ako kung if you gonna ask me this card.
Kasi
Ganun din naman. Kasi ganun naman, batuhan naman kami. Te, anong gagawin ko dito? Ganyan pa. Te, I'm so stressed. What will I do?
Kasi, life can really be overwhelming.
Lalo na yun na nga, di ba? Pag sobrang dami mo ding
Kailangan gawin.
Gawin,
Gustong
gagawin.
gawin. Gustong ma-achieve.
in terms of itinerary kapag aalis.
Ay,
Di ba, kula? Patay ka dyan.
anyway, pero yun. Yun yung help.
Yes.
Ayun.
Ikaw
So,
na,
my
te.
turn.
Your turn. Shit. Tapos malalim na naman yun. Piste.
What would be the perfect gift for me?
Hello. The perfect gift for you,
Is a plane ticket.
hindi, is a chain and a lock para makandado ka sa bahay. Huwag yung lalaya tayo. Hindi. Siguro, perfect gift ko for... hindi naman siya kailangan material or like, ano ba?
Hindi naman. In general.
Yeah. Perfect gift for you siguro is matupad. Kunwari, like for example, like I'll pray for you.
Prayers.
I'll prayer for your manifestation, lahat ng yung freedom mo, yung mga pangarap mo, yung health mo, yung family and everything. Kasi alam ko yung dinedesire ng puso mo and I pray na sana mangyari yon.
That's very beautiful, guys.
Sorry.
So, ayun. There's nothing more.
Yeah, yun
than
lang. Basta
prayers.
yung desire ng
Kasi
puso
sabi
mo.
nga nila, okay lang na, parang malaking bagay na nagdadasal ka para sa sarili mo. Pero iba, pag meron din ibang
Nagdadasal para sa'yo. Totoo yun. So guys, pray for us.
Oo. Tsaka
Okay.
parang, alam mo ba yun? Yung parang yung mga parents natin, lalo na yung mga nanay, lagi kang, parang sabi nila, kaya kaswerte ganyan kasi yung parents mo, like, sila yung mga prayer warriors.
Yours natin. Totoo yun.
Share ko lang.
Okay. O next natin. Share ko
Uy,
lang.
ano na yan? Ikaw na.
Ay, ako na nga. Kasi ako pala nagtanong. Okay, sorry. Te.
Last card na yan.
Wait lang. Ba't palagi pala? Last card na to, guys. So, galingan na natin. Isa lang to. Okay.
Lamig.
Hello! What answer of mine made you light up? Sa lahat ng sinagot ko kanina, parang na-enlighten ka daw. Tama ba? Made you light up.
Oo.
Eh, di na-enlighten. Ganun. Parang ano ka na, ganun. Ganun. Sa lahat doon na sinagot ko kanina sa'yo.
Sa lahat ng sinagot mo sa akin.
Sa lahat.
Can we check again?
Ano yung parang nagbigay ng impact sa'yo? Or
Siguro yung, yung yung something na hindi niya babaguhin sa sarili niya.
Okay.
Yung pagiging curious mo about the world, about everything. Yun. Actually, hindi naman na yun bago na statement. Like, knowing Jess, alam kong ganun siya. So, isa yun sa mga best trait or best personality niya na talagang yun yung magla-light up sa kanya as a person. So, yun din yung naging tumatak sa mga sinagot mo kanina.
Okay. So you pick your last card. This will
is
be
the
your last.
last
Huwag mong tingnan, te.
card.
Kulay red. Baklok. Wild card edition.
Perfect ender.
Oh my God! What a perfect card to end this podcast.
It's a super meant to be card.
Sa atin dalawa yan, te.
Yeah, oo. I-show ko siya.
Show niyo muna.
Ayan. Okay, nakita
Okay.
niyo na ha. Wild card.
Kasi hindi pala
Give
na.
your partner
Te, upo ka.
Ay, sorry. Give your partner a hug, not the crappy kind, a warm, fluffy one.
Shit! Okay!
Perfect ending siya, te.
Talaga, as in,
Diba?
sabi niya lang, ang sabi niya,
Ayan na.
give
basahin
your-
mo.
mali.
Mag-hug daw tayo,
Give
te.
your partner money. Nakalagay. Give your partner money so that you can travel.
Travel.
This
So
is
that you
Tagalog.
can book for the whole week.
Uy, wait lang. Okay. So sabi niya, okay, so let's do it. Oh my
Makikita
God.
ba tayo sa frame?
Ganyan lang. Dapat
Yeah.
ganyan lang, Faith. Ang galing to baka.
Let's hug te.
Uy, parang mga
This is
OOA.
the perfect ending for the podcast.
Aray ko,
Like,
namulikat pa nga yung leeg ko.
It's something, it's like, it's
Sis! Oh my gosh, thank you so much for everything that we've... ano ba to?
ano?
Ano ko? So, guys, that's it. That sum up or that ends our activity for tonight, for today's
Fairness,
podcast.
kailangan natin laruin yan.
Yeah, sa lahat.
Oo.
Actually, hindi lang naman siya pang dalawang tao.
Yeah,
It's for a big
multiplayer.
group. Sabi ko nga, kasi kating-katino to buksan to. Sabi ko,
Oo.
te, wag mo bubuksan. Sabi ko, buksan natin siya pag nag-film na tayo ng podcast.
Kasi pag
Para at
ino-open
least-
ko yung babasahin ko.
Babasahin,
yung
oo,
questions.
knowing, Diyos ko, minsan ang kating-kati din to mag, ano.
Kaya
Pero,
parang ang sarap.
yeah, and
Yun ang
super,
game.
ang galing niya. Ito, actually, like, I would really recommend this sa mga group of friends. Lalo na, for example, if you know
You
your
wanna
circle.
know-
You know, kunwari, sa circle mo talaga ha.
Oo.
Like, wag mo tong gawin.
Uy, let's play this game. Kasama si na Eunice, si na
Oo.
Light. yun.
Mm-mm. Parang,
Pero nabasa. Ay, sorry.
sasabi, paano yung mga hindi kasama? Hindi. So ito nga, I would really suggest this na gawin mo to with the people that matters to you most. Yung talagang circle mo, yung mapagkakatiwalaan mo, yung willing ka ibuksan yung story, yung puso mo sa kanila. Kasi mas magiging authentic yung pagsagot to be honest. Ito siguro mas naging emotional pa kami kung wala lang camera. Kasi syempre yun naman namin mag-ano-ano dito, Pero
Kumbaga,
Again.
it helps you get to know the other person more.
Yes.
On a deeper
level. Kaya yun yung sagot niya, di ba? Ano yung sabi ng number 2, Yung parang rule ay yung how to play this game. Na parang that's number 2 daw, yun daw yung mag-grow ka. To be
Answer
honest,
group.
yeah, parang mag-grow ka talaga. So, yun lang, parang
Hindi
you
na makaisip ng
and
person.
when you play this game talaga, I feel like you need to really be genuine when answering. Like, wag kang mag-filter kasi how will they know, how will they help you if you're struggling with something pala? You know, it's kind of like, parang hindi naman siya solve, I mean, like, kasagutan sa mga problema mo. Pero it will somehow lessen yung burden or yung bigat. Diba? Baka pala may matouch ka na sa puso mo or may mga unresolved issues pala. Then again,
Tsaka I feel like itong game na to, it's not a game na parang natripan mo lang na, oh, let's play this game.
Yeah.
Hindi. Parang something siya na kailangan mo siya kailangan mo emotionally prepare yung sarili
siguro,
mo.
di ba, dahil kahapon nga, so parang dinala niya na to, tas parang,
Oo.
somehow, nung sinabi ko na, parang, okay, we will be doing this, somehow, emotionally and mentally, nag-ready na ako Kanina din, or kagabi, na parang, syempre, I need to be ready, na parang, like, ready ba talaga, I mean, parang, I need to decide, am I ready to, to open up my heart, or like, syempre, with you, ready naman ako anytime.
Mm.
Pero kasi again, parang,
Iba
di ba,
yung may
iba yung may
camera.
camera, iba yung, syempre maraming manonood nito. O, talagang dineclare na maraming manonood.
Thousands
Kasi
of
yun nga,
viewers
oo,
out
kasi 'di
there.
ba, hindi siya madali. I mean like, it's not really easy, no, parang task to open up your life. Lalo na kunwari ikaw yung tao na hindi ka naman ganun nagsha-share, hindi ka naman ganun ka ano, pero tinry mo and wala lang, super fun pala nitong gawin. And sadly, hindi namin siya lahat pwedeng sagutin kasi nga,
Baka
magto 2
mainip
hours
kayo.
tayo. Charot. But then again, yun nga, that sum up or like that concludes our episode for tonight. Guys, I really hope na nag-enjoy kayo and that may natutunan kayo somehow.
napala kayo
Hindi
sa
naman
mga
namin
sagot
sinasabi na may ma-learn kayo.
Sana lang ma-inspire kayo
Yeah.
to play this game also.
Or like to do more in life in general. And I really want to thank my guest din. Oh, mahal TF. Charot. She abad, always, always a game. Game to lagi kung saan mo to. Kung paano pa pag mag-aya kang maglibot to sa bakla? Madali. So, yon. So, sis, thank you so much for
Yeah.
gracing us your time na lalo na kakagaling na lang din sa clinic. Kasi syempre, hakataw to si Chi kasi galing
Kailangan
bakasyon.
natin
Kailangan bumawi. Pero again, alam mo yun, napaunlakan tayo. And really had fun doing this with you, sis. Oh my
Yeah,
gosh, alam mo, ang
of course.
sobrang perfect talaga nito. Talagang
Yeah. Me too.
we're gonna play this again, pero, syempre off-cam na and para mas,
Mas no filter.
Yes, thank you so much. And if you like this video, you can share, you can like and subscribe to this channel. And see you on the next podcast, guys. Thank you so much.
Bye.
We love you.
Thank
Bye.
Jess. Thank
Yes.
you, viewers of Jess.
And
Please-
thank you kay Joe sa
Yeah.
ating Maple
Thank you to my
Dental.
Bibe.
Woo!
My
Thank you so much.
amazing Bibe.
Goodbye.